Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about the some new point of the accounting principles. So you can say the accounting principles are described as the various terms such as the assumptions, convention, concept, doctrines, postulates, etc. So these principles can be classified mainly into two categories. Okay, first of all is the accounting convention or the assumption, accounting concept or assumptions और द अकाउंटिंग कन्वेंशंस. कन्वेंशंस मीन्स होता है पद्धति या फिर हो सकता है प्रथा, ठीक है. और अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स मीन्स बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जिस पे आधार है या फिर जो बेसिक एजम्पशंस हैं. So what are the accounting concepts? So accounting concepts are the basic assumption or the fundamental propositions. So while you are solving the any mathematics questions, I have taken this why you take the value of the x, find the value of the x. There are some assumptions are taken in the economics, in the mathematics, in the science. So there are also some assumptions are taken in the books for maintaining the books of accounts. So accounting concepts are the basic assumption or the fundamental proposition within which the accounting operates. They are generally accepted according to the rule based on which the transactions are recorded and the financial statement are prepared. So these are the generally accepted accounting rules, based on which the transactions are recorded and financial statement are prepared. It is the important to follow the accounting concept because it will enable the user the financial statement to understand them better and in the same manner. So suppose you have taken some assumptions while calculating any mathematical propositions. You have to write on the footnote below the chart or below the sheet of the conclusion for the better understandings. So the accounting concepts also take some assumptions while preparing the books of accounts or following the books of account for maintaining the books of accounts. Suppose we assume that we are going to suppose the business for the very long periods. We are not supposed to maintain the books of account for 1 day, for 2 days, for the month, for the week. We presumed that the books of account will be maintained for long periods. So the assumption is that the businessman are going to run the business for the long periods, not for the month, not for the year, not for the 2 years. They will run the business for the long period. So this is the assumptions. Okay. So this is also the assumption that the business is a separate entity. So later on we will discuss the more about. First of all, you should understand the assumption are those that should be taken, that should be presumed that on the basis of the business accounting are going to be followed, going to be prepared. So accounting assumption or accounting concept we will discuss in the coming videos more elaborate way. Okay. So what are the accounting conventions? Accounting conventions may be differ from person to persons. So accounting conventions are you can say in Hindi बात करें तो प्रथा यानी पद्धति. आप कोई बात कर रहे हो कोई custom, that may be the custom. You write on the ohm on the books of the accounts for the prosperity, for the good wishes, for the respect of the God. So that is the custom. It is the custom, or you can say the pratha, that may be not followed in the England or not followed by all over the world. So this is your own assumption and your concept. Your some convention are different from that person, from different person to person, from area to area. You can say that whatever your custom followed here in the Gorakhpur, or you can say in the UP, that may be not followed in the Karnataka or the Kerala. So this is the accounting convention. So you can say here the accounting convention are the outcome of the accounting practices or the principles being followed by the enterprises over the period of time. So, so this is the custom that may be the followed by the enterprises over the period of time. Suppose some people believe that if you maintain the books of accounts in the month of April, they follow the books of account by making the single entry or by making the with the nib pen on the yellow books. That may be their own convention. Okay, so convention may be undergo a change with the bring to about the improvement in the quality of the accounting information. So any accounting convention are maybe the wrong, maybe the right. So if any convention are wrong, so there may be the needed for the improvement or for the quality purposes. So these are the our accounting principles on the basis of the broadly we can classify it in the two categories. First of all, the accounting concept, and the second one is the accounting convention that we will discuss in the coming video in the very elaborated way. Okay, students? So in this coming video, we will discuss about some features of the accounting principles.